So, I'm actually waiting here sa nearest restaurant na malapit dito sa DMV in City Street here in Winston-Salem. And hinihintay ko si Hubby na matapos siya dun sa examination niya because he will be getting yung learner certificate para magamit namin yon kapag kumuha kami ng sasakyan. Okay? Since hindi ino-honor dito yung license natin from other countries, no? Kahit nagtanip pa kami sa Middle East at merong international license yung houseman ko, yung mga dealership ng sasakyan are actually asking dun sa learner's permit or driver's license mo. But unfortunately, hindi pa makakuha ng driver's license kasi before having that, kailangan, number one, meron kang sasakyan na gagamitin, your own car. Yes, you heard me right. Hindi sila nagpapahiram ng car dito. You will need to bring your own car, but it doesn't necessarily mean na bumili ka na agad, no? You can ask your friend, kung may kakilala ka, relatives, na pwedeng magpahiram sa'yo ng sasakyan. But the thing is, kailangan mo rin ng insurance. So, medyo tricky siya, di ba? Kasi nga, even before makakuha ka ng driver's license or makapag-take ka ng road test, you need to have an insurance named after you. So, pwede daw, as per yung nakausap natin sa DMV, pwede naman daw mag-ride on this insurance ng kakilala ninyo or friend or family member para lang makakuha ka ng insurance na kasama yung pangalan mo, or otherwise bumili agad ikaw ng sasakyan mo kasi syempre pag bumili ka ng sasakyan mo bago mo pa ilabasin sa kasa or dun sa dealership store, talagang aalokan ka na nila together with your car ng insurance policy kasi ita-drive home mo yung sasakyan mo, which is the most, yun yung pinaka-advice nila. But the thing is, you can actually have it delivered kung hindi ka pa ganun ka-confident, lalo na kung mag-travel ka sa ibang lugar para lang kumuha ng sasakyan. Okay? So, actually, this is our second try for today kasi, unfortunately, doon sa pinuntahan namin unang na DMV office nung una, they're actually asking for the I-94 certificate or paper. And what is that? Actually, itong I-94, nung inas namin si Google at saka si ChatGPT, this is the document na kailangan ng mga non-immigrants and visitors na pumasok dito sa US. Unfortunately, hindi nila binasa or hindi nila ginran yung maliit na sentence. This is a sentence or annotation dun sa visa stamp namin or yung visa sticker namin sa US na once na nastampan yung aming passport, that is good for 1 year validity as our visa. Kasi nga, hindi naman kami pumasok dito as non-immigrants or visitors. We actually move here in US as a immigrant, no? And hopefully, I guess, and then, syempre, hindi kami tinanggap. So, umuwi kaming biguan, biguan, yun na nga. Umuwi kaming biguan. Pero at least, looking dun sa mga reasons kung bakit kukuha ng I-94, honestly, hindi naman talaga kailangan. Kasi, before coming here sa DMV, we actually asked our friends, yung mga nauna sa amin, mga nauna na nakakuha ng mga driver's license and learner's permit. And they actually told na hindi naman kailangan, hindi sila hinanapan ng I-94. Pinresent lang nila talaga yung US stamp nila. Unfortunately, it was not granted, or maybe they didn't just acknowledge yon, no, dun sa unang DMV office sa pinuntahan namin. And nag-start sa letter P yung address nila dito in Winston-Salem. So, syempre, we decided to go to another DMV office. Okay? And that is what I told earlier. And we've been waiting like 3 hours kasi nag-walk-in lang kami, wala kaming appointment. but you can actually get your appointment beforehand. But but then for us ni hubby, we just took our chance na maybe makakuha siya dito. And from the first upon our entry, syempre pinakita ko na agad dun sa registration area na yung stamp na visa namin, US visa. And then I told na ito yung mga ito yung mga dala-dala naming mga requirements. And what we have is our stamped US visa as immigrants. And then she gave us the number. So now I'm waiting for my husband na matapos yung kanyang written exam for his learner certificate. Unfortunately, they can accommodate only one. So, syempre, pinuuna ko na si hubby since siya naman talaga mostly or most of the time na magdadrive na sasakyan namin. So, ito na, quick sharing lang kasi syempre, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung experience namin here in Winston-Salem. So, the experience is not all the same dun sa mga nagpunta dito. Pero just for you to know, yung I-94 is not a document needed, lalo na sa mga immigrants like us. Hinahanap lang yon kapag ikaw ay non-immigrants or visitors na pumapasok. Okay? So, kailangan ipakita nyo lang talaga or reiterate nyo lang talaga sa kanila yung annotation na nakalagay dun sa US visa ninyo. Okay? Na one stamp. Okay? Yun na yung starting ng first year mo na valid. Ikaw na valid na alien permanent resident ka or immigrant ka here in US. Yun na yung magiging proof of legal entry dito sa US. If you get what I mean, okay?